Hi everybody, I'm Isaac Raymond. I'm going to be your instructor for statistics. Just wanted to make a quick video to show you around the course, hopefully address any questions that you might have. Excuse me, bad time to start a video. So you'll want to start this course like you do any course. Check out the syllabus to see how our class runs. Newton is the big thing about this class. Newton is an online platform where you complete math homework. A big thing about Newton is that you can get like 20 questions wrong and you can still get a homework assignment as 100% for a grade. It just keeps giving you new types of questions, new variations. You know, it'll help you out too when it realizes that you're stuck. But Newton it's not like, you get it wrong and your grade goes down permanently. You can keep retrying questions. You'll see Newton when you click on the Chapter 1 homework. It'll start setting you up with an account automatically. Don't ever pay for anything because Doral College pays for the Newton account, okay? So that's a big part of our course. That's where our homework is done. To help you out with the homework, look, there's videos all throughout the course, and there's a ton of them, okay? With week 1, I've kind of got them all packed into these 4 longer videos, but what you'll see in the other weeks, like week 2 and week 3, the list starts getting longer because I've split them up into smaller videos. Oops, I clicked the wrong thing. Please use those videos because they're me helping you out with actual Newton problems, okay? So you can copy and paste this link into your browser and you'll see me working through this type of problem given the following histogram side of it. So you have somebody that's right there with you when you're stuck on those questions. And I'm very happy to make more of those videos too. If you just tell me like, hey, I'm working on I'm on chapter 2 homework, the topic at the top of my screen says it's maybe applying standard deviation to certain situations. So maybe that's the name of the topic. Send me the name of the topic. Say, could you make another video on this? And I'll be glad to do that. But what you're going to find in the course is that I do have videos, I think, for every topic now because I've run this course so many times. But happy to make more videos, happy to explain further. I'm there for you. Just let me know whatever you need for help, okay? So the Newton homework, that's probably the biggest portion of the course where you'll spend most of your time. You'll see these applied problems, and there's 4 of them throughout the course. The applied problems are just like special problems that are based on what we've been doing, connecting the math to some real-world situation. So if you click on the PDF, it'll open up the instructions. It's pretty straightforward on what to do. If you're stuck on the applied problem and you don't know like how to solve it, you can message me. I can give you some hints or something like that, okay? But the idea is pretty straightforward. It's just like a longer word problem. And then you'll upload your solution to this link after you complete it. Looks like my internet's just running slow right now, but yeah, the PDF uploads. Just look at the bottom of the applied problems because you'll see grading. I'll show you how each one's going to be graded. Okay, so for the first applied problem, we need you to upload a video along with your solutions. Okay, so you could type it up as a Word document. You could write it by hand and upload a picture. I'm fine with whatever, as long as I can read the math. Okay, but for the first applied problem, and not for any of the other 3 applied problems, we need you to also upload a recording too of you showing your ID and your face so that we can link your identification to that school ID to your name on our Canvas account. Okay, it's just our way of validating student identity. And that's just for the first one. You don't have to do that for the other ones. And then you can narrate your solutions too. You could just like quickly say like, hey, for part 1, this is my solution. For part 2, this is my solution. Okay. But the instructions are all right there. The grading's all right there. If you have trouble with the instructions, you can always reach out to me. Let me know what trouble you're facing. I'll be glad to help out. Okay, and then there's 2 other things in the course. You'll see them in the syllabus. There's tests. Those are pretty straightforward. That's just a link you click, and then Newton starts having you do the test. I'll give more information in these weekly announcements that I do when we get closer to that. I guess discussion boards I haven't talked about. Look, with the discussion boards, you got to make sure you go to the discussion board rubric and check that out. Because one of the requirements in the rubric is that your initial post is completed on Thursday of the discussion week. And then you can make your 2 replies to classmates by Sunday. Otherwise, you'll lose some points, okay? we make the initial post due by Thursday because otherwise students don't have enough time to see your posts, because a lot of people just post on Sunday and then it's just a mad rush to get everything done. Not really much of a discussion. So make sure to check out that discussion board rubric. And then there's a couple projects in the course. There's 2 of them. There's videos to help walk you through what to do in those projects. As always, let me know if you need help. If you have questions about what those videos say, if you have questions about what the instructions say, any of those things, questions about anything, questions about my opinion of your dog, if I think it's a good dog or a bad dog, anything, message me. I'll be happy to help you. I'll be happy to talk with you. That's what I'm here for. Okay, don't ever hesitate to reach out. Some students do that. They think, I don't want to bother my instructor. I don't know if other instructors are cranky or not, but that does not bother me. I'm very happy to help you. So please message me if you need anything throughout this course, okay? So I look forward to working with you. Stay in touch. I'll be checking in with you too. Hope we have a good class. Let me know if you need anything.